gun revolver. I construct a Nerf gun revolver from a greenback confetti birthday celebration popper. The writer of the video says inside the description. But he is now no longer being absolutely honest, as now no longer all people has scraps of timber and paint etc. at hand. Besides, it is now no longer cheap. To shoot this gun, you must pay $3 for a hard and fast of 4 authentic rounds. Nevertheless, this home-made model flawlessly copes with its paintings and permits, hitting a goal from a distance of 30 feet with none problems. Flamethrower. Maybe you have visible a flamethrower on the market online, however failed to need to spend properly over $1,000. I'll train you the way to make yours for a fragment of that price, writes the author of those fashions on his website, and gives an ebook and a video tutorial. If all is going in line with plan, you will get a flamethrower that shoots hearthplace at a distance of just about 45 feet. You should buy all of the elements online and bring together a weapon to your garage. You'll additionally want a combination of gas and kerosene 75% to 25%, in addition to CO2. The price range is about $450, and the e-book and video cost $97. The creator guarantees to donate an element of every sale to assist diverse applications to save you and deal with cancer. Airsoft rifle. Here's a laugh pastime for fanatics of airsoft in case you cannot play together along with your buddies due to awful climate or different problems. You may construct this rifle and wonder everyone. This is a completely computerized model, deciding on 0 every pallet. It's primarily based totally on an Arduino single-board computer. The firing race is pallets in keeping with second, and the mag holds approximately 70 of them. The web page is likewise home, made from elements of binoculars, and the writer were given an empty cylinder of spray foam and a truck horn electromagnetic valve to apply with compressed air. Detailed meeting commands with masses of snapshots are on Instructables.com. Plus, the writer promised to make a fair extra exciting model with inside the future. Racing simulator. How high-priced can a racing simulator be? In Italy, they launched a restrained version of 10 hand image riding simulators. They have been priced at $157,500, and different alternatives to be had in shops are every now and then unaffordable for normal gamers in order that they need to suppose out of the container and construct their very own variations at home. The essence of this challenge is to take access stage additives of steerage wheel, seats, pedals, etc., and then flip them into an unsurpassed riding simulator. There are even capacity shoppers for those fashions, and a few connoisseurs advised upgrading it to a buggy, simply if you get uninterested in the usage of it as a cyber racing equipment. Hoverboard. How to make a simple homemade hoverboard is the authentic name of this video, and it has 37 million views. The cause is this tool may be made through everybody at home, as a minimum in line with the writer, and it's far cheap. For example, an unmarried motor reducer will price you $6 tops. The venture would require 12 motors, with the wheels protected plywood, epoxy, a battery, and different easy details. The ensuing hoverboard may be used now no longer most effective for riding. However, additionally, that will help you for your everyday chores. It may be beneficial for sporting heavy grocery bags, one of the most secure hoverboards I've ever seen. Comments a YouTube user. Frisbee launcher. Did you realize that Frisbee turned into at first only a trademark of one of the divisions of the American toy massive Mattel? And then it had become the call of all flying discs, inclusive of ones from different companies. The conventional model of the Frisbee is a plastic disc with a diameter of 8 to 10 inches. But in case you become bored throwing it yourself, you could construct this launcher. A grasp from France used inexpensive substances and control to convey throwing speeds to nearly 62. He reminds humans to do that at their personal risk. Compound bow. The efforts of this craftsman might really be preferred via way of means of Hawkeye, Robin Hood, and different archery pros. After all, you are seeing a full-size compound bow. This video has over 2 million views, so if even one out of each 1,000 visitors determined to copy it at home, you may bring together a small archery squad. Every archer who makes use of a compound bow ought to undergo this procedure to higher recognize the bow and what it takes to construct it, believes a YouTube user. Lego CNC milling device. Human beings construct all sorts of matters out of Lego. From a lifestyle's length Ferrari F40 to a running constantly variable transmission. And brand new choice consists of an similarly first-rate venture, a CNC milling device crafted from Lego Mindstorms. It's really well worth noting that the Mindstorms line is a robotics constructor, which made lifestyles a bit less complicated for the writer of this device. In particular, he used the EV3 module, which is basically a microcomputer that may be programmed for a whole lot of responsibilities and is a part of many Mindstorms kits. In the end, there are most effective non-Lego elements with inside the device a drill and this practice element. And for the tests, he used a Necuron 160, a fabric for modeling perfect for numerous milling systems. Robot Dog. Next, an extra complex project, a 4-legged robot puppy straightaway. The creator clarifies that the paintings isn't most effective, pretty time-consuming, however, additionally expensive. You'll ought to spend approximately $1,000 components. However, the listing of elements, 3D printing documents, and the important code have already been made available, and the working device ROSE is inside the public domain. In the video, the writer well-known shows a few bits and bobs of the process. For example, for 4-leg models, it is higher to make the frame symmetrical. Commenters are delighted. Some even ask the inventor to promote them. Would you purchase one? RC Plane. Your very own radio-controlled plane in days. Easy. That's how lengthy it took the author of this tool to construct it. The key function is that a chainsaw engine turned into used for the challenge. The basic layout is virtually simple, making it smooth to extrude additives and test with them. An extra or much less flat stretch of avenue will do as a runway, and the aircraft flies quite properly. The most effective trouble is the landing. Perhaps the author lacked a little bit of enjoy on this area.